Discussion Post and Fair Response 15, Bahrain, Chapter 11. Another good chapter. This one talks not about you and your mentor exactly, but you and your administration and how your administration may evaluate you as you perform your duties as a mentor. That's the main purpose. Besides talking to different administrators at the school, you also are going to be exposed to a rubric or some kind of an evaluation instrument that might be used to evaluate your effectiveness with your mentor teacher. Now the prompt, after reading this chapter, go back to figure 11.1. What do you suppose will be your strengths when your principal uses this assessment to assess you? Don't have to give me all of them. Don't list, 20 different things. Give me 3 or 4 or some of the broad categories where you will be most effective, and explain to me a little bit about why you think these are your strengths. Also, which 2 bulleted items will you most need to work on? Explain. You might think that you're great at everything, and if you are, then find your weakest 2 and talk about those, the ones that you need to work on. Or there might be something that has always been a problem for you in most every kind of job performance or in your personal life or just your habits of living that might be a challenge. So which things do you need to work on, and explain what those are, and also perhaps how you might address those. If you have any questions, please give me a call.